Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Nbkc. Nbkc is a Nigerian bank that offers a variety of banking services, including online banking and mobile banking. If you've recently changed your phone number, you'll need to update your information with Nbkc to ensure that you can continue to access your accounts. I know that changing your phone number can be a bit of a hassle, but I'm going to make it easy for you. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process and provide you with some helpful tips. Before we get started, let's go over some background information about Nbkc. Nbkc was founded in 1990 and is one of the largest banks in Nigeria. It has over 200 branches and over 10 million customers. Nbkc offers a variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, online banking, mobile banking. If you're a customer of Nbkc, you can change your phone number online or by visiting a branch. How to change your phone number on Nbkc online. Go to the Nbkc website. Click on the Login button. Enter your username and password. Click on the My Profile tab. Click on the Update My Information button. Enter your new phone number. Click on the Save button. You will receive a confirmation message that your phone number has been updated. How to change your phone number on Nbkc at a branch. Visit a Nbkc branch. Provide the bank officer with your new phone number. The bank officer will update your information in the system. You will receive a confirmation message that your phone number has been updated. Tips: make sure that you have your Nbkc account number and PIN handy before you start the process. If you are changing your phone number because you have lost your phone, you will need to provide additional identification to the bank. Once you have updated your phone number, be sure to save your new information in your contacts. I hope this tutorial has helped you to change your phone number on Nbkc. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on banking and finance.